Toyota is stepping up its game, expanding the Corolla lineup with this innovative compact pickup truck. Let's explore how this new addition is set to transform the compact pickup segment, blending utility, style, and performance like never before. First up, let's talk design. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup is a perfect fusion of contemporary aesthetics and rugged functionality. Inspired by the Corolla sedan, this pickup sports a sleek, aerodynamic profile with impressive cargo capabilities. The signature Toyota grille and LED headlights give it a sophisticated look, while the extended cab design ensures versatility for both work and play. Now, if we talk about performance, under the hood, the Corolla Pickup doesn't disappoint. It boasts a dynamic hybrid engine system, offering a powerful yet fuel-efficient driving experience. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling off-road trails, this truck delivers responsive and agile performance. Intelligent all-wheel drive system for enhanced traction on various terrains. Towing capacity of up to 3,500 pounds for added utility. When it comes to technology, the 2025 Corolla Pickup is ahead of the curve. It's packed with advanced infotainment systems, driver assist features, and connectivity options to ensure a seamless and intuitive user experience. These innovative tech amenities like 12.3-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Toyota's commitment to sustainability is evident in every aspect of the 2025 Corolla Pickup. Designed with eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient systems, this vehicle champions environmental responsibility without sacrificing performance or style. As we look towards the future of automotive excellence, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup stands out as a beacon of progress and innovation. Powerful performance, advanced technology, and sustainability initiatives. This vehicle is paving the way for a brighter, more sustainable future on the roads. Thanks for watching. If you're as excited about the 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup as we are, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Let us know in the comments what you're most excited about with this new compact pickup. Visit www.eve-riders.com for latest car news. See you next time.